Sarap. So today, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakuha kong items from our recent Japan trip. So from shirts, hats, anik-anik, lahat yan. Papakita ko sa inyo. Okay? Let's go. So the first item that we got is from Wekfest. We got one item from Wekfest, the Wekfest 2026 shirt. This is the shirt, the Wekfest 2026 shirt. Yan. Wekfest Japan, All Japan Motoring Showcase, number 1. 26 and the back part. Got ourselves some new tires from Blue Lug, Gravel Kings. Sobrang tagal ko na naghahanap na ito. Wala na kasi nag-offer na ito sa Pilipinas. Orderin mo pa siya from Blue Lug. So since nasa Japan na tayo, bumili na tayo. Size 26, 2.1. Towel. Itong towel na to. Ang ganda nung box niya, para siyang Shimano. Yung style niya. Pero pag nasa labas siya, ito yung itsura niya. Super cute. Blue Lug. Para sa bike, purple bits for the Bianchi. Daya Compe, brake levers. SS6, Blue Lug na hat. Of course, if you know me, lagi ako na hat. So, syempre, you have to buy something remembrance sa Blue Lug. From Nagoya to Yokohama, we went to the Moon Ice HQ. This year, Moon Ice is celebrating their 40th anniversary. Medyo sayang lang kasi parang towards the end of May, merong the Grand National Meet ata yung tawag doon in celebration with the 40th anniversary of Moon Ice. Ayan. So, kumuha tayo ng shirt ng Moon Ice na may 40th anniversary. 1986 to 2026 Moon Ice 40th anniversary. Bumili rin ako ng key holder for our keys, pwedeng house keys. Bumili tayo ng catalog from Moon Ice. All their products. 2025 complete catalog. Items na in-offer ng Moon Ice. Sobrang galing ng Moon Ice kasi nung pumunta ako sa shop nila, sobrang na-overwhelm ako na sobrang daming items na hindi mo maaasahan na may Moon Ice branding. Especially yung takip ng Inidoro. So, CR. Pwede mong i-set up yung CR mo. Pwede mo lagyan ng branding ng Moon Ice. Ito, ref magnet na Moon Ice. Towards the end, nag-ukay na lang ako. Nag-check kami ng mga second-hand stuff. And then, ito may nakita akong handkerchief. Brand new. It's not used. Yan o. Napakaganda. Parang vintage na ata to. Ito rin, brand new ko nakuha. Renault Rothmans na bath towel. Brand new, not used. And lastly, the best purchase from my recent Japan trip. Camping chairs na Mickey House. Yung gamit ko ngayon, this one, the red. Slightly used, ganda pa. Ganda ng condition. Complete with the bag. Tcharan! Yan lang. Thank you on staying. So ito yung mga nabili natin from our recent Japan trip. Yan lang. Tcharan!